Hello, welcome back again to New Money Methods YouTube channel. My name is Jackson. So if this is your very first time coming to this YouTube channel, you're most welcome. My name is Jackson, and basically what we do on this YouTube channel, we teach people how you can make money online, how you can make online investments in crypto market, in stock market, in forex trading, and basically our style is all about producing passive income, right? That means you invest your money and your money gives you returns every single day, every single hour. And we again teach people how you can use different platforms like Binance, but all associated with make money online. So if these are the types of videos that you look for when you come to YouTube, kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video. So let's get to the video of today, why we are here. So let's get started right now. So right in today's video, I want to go ahead and you guys showing you how you can get started on this platform. This is a platform that is so far doing well and one of my best platforms that I'm focusing on at the beginning of this year. So this is going to be Amzdoge, and I'm going to show you basically how you can get started with it, creating an account, receiving yourself a free magic dog that will take you for a while, and basically who to contact so that you can get a magic dog that will help you to trade without buying any software that is going to trade for you. So if you have heard about magic dog or you've used it before, you understand that this is a quantitative trading robot, right? So you just employ it and it will go over the market, and using arbitrage opportunities, it will buy low and sell high, right, on different exchanges. And the exchanges listed there, you have your Binance, you have your Coinbase, and other exchanges like we'll see in a while. So basically how to get started on this website, what you just need to do, when you head over to Google, just type something like geodog.com, right? So I have a link in the description. So when you click in the video description right below, it should bring you directly to the sign up page of this website. So right now, let me just head over to geodog.com, and the interface should be looking like this. So this is the homepage of Amzdoge and how it's supposed to look like, right? So just going to take you through the sign up process and basically showing you how you can get started right now. So when you use the link that I've put down in the description, it should bring you directly to this page. So this is the registration page of Amzdoge website, where you can literally create your account in a while. So the first thing that you need to do is just head over to this mobile phone right here, starting with your code number and then your mobile number right there. So the thing that you need to do is just come to code right here and search your country, and based on the country where you're living, you should select that. Like I'm from Uganda, so I select Uganda and put 256 there. So then you go ahead and put in your mobile number, leaving 0 from the start, so 78. So like that. And after filling this information, your mobile number with the code, then go ahead and tap on get verification code, because you're supposed to get verification code right from this number. So a code will be sent to this number, and the same code you are going to copy and write in this box right here. So when you receive the code, then go ahead and type in this box right here. So after doing that, then you go ahead and create your username right here. And after creating a username, they create your password, and the password is supposed to have at least 6 to 32 digits. Then go ahead and fill in your valid email address and put in your invitation code right here. So if you use the link that I've put down in the description, the invitation code should be put in automatically. So if you don't have the invitation code, I'll also put it down in the video description so you can copy it and put it in here. So after doing that, then you tap on the register button, this one right here. So after doing that, it should take you directly to the sign in page for this website. So now on the sign up page, you just need to input your username that you just created and the password right here, and then press on the login there. So when you do that, it should bring you directly to this page, which happens to be the home page of Amzdoge. So now on the page, let me just show you that I'm signed in. You just tap on my right here. And this is it here. So it shows my account balance as 0.00 because I have an investment running, so that's why my account balance is not here. So just to show you, when I go back to homepage and tap on my strategy, it opens something like this. So you can see my investment is so far at 84% and the investment of 97. So when I tap on the investment, to show you in a while, the order, my investment order looks something like this. So I can just tap on this button to get some bonus and you can see my investment is running. So when you just signed up a new account, what you just need to do, you just need to come to Amzdoge here, and when you press on Amzdoge, you'll find something like a gift here, right? So some shiny stuff right here, and you just need to tap on it, and it will give you a 21-day free Amzdoge, right? And this is how you can get free Amzdoge right on this website. So whenever you, after creating an account and after making a deposit, you are ready to start earning, you just need to come to Amzdoge. You don't just need to buy anything yet. You just need to come here and right on this section, like about this point here, you will find some glittering gift, right? So you just tap on it, and after tapping on it, you'll get yourself 21 days free Amzdoge. So the other way you can get free Amzdoge is by just contacting me as your upline, or contacting the person that you use their link to sign in, and we'll help you to get you free Amzdoge for 90 days. So literally that's how it works basically. So in a while, I'm just going to show you how much you can earn right on this website. So if you understand this website, at least you are earning something about 2 to 3%, right? So on a site where you're earning at least 2 to 3% every single day. And the good thing is that we analyze the compound interest technique, right? So the secret behind compound interest is that it allows your money to grow with time, and I'm just going to show you that using this compound interest calculator. So let me just assume that I start my investment with $100, and $100 I'm at least getting 3% every single day, right? So I'm getting that every single day, and I'm just going to invest for 30 days. So when I calculate that, for after 30 days with my $100, it means I'll be having $242. So that is something more than actually 150% return on investment, right? ROI. So what does it mean? It means with compound interest, your interest is not fixed, right? When it's 3% every day and it is compound, it means that the first day you get $3 with $100. 3% of $100 is $3, right? But because you're compounding, it is not fixed at $3, so it keeps growing every single day. And this is what I'm going to show you now. So you start with $100. The first day you earn 3%, so that is $3. So the next day you're now investing 103. This is 103, and this time you are going to earn 309, so making it 106. So the next day you're going to invest 106, and this time you're going to earn 3.18, right? So the following day you're getting 109. So the following day you're investing 109, and with 109 you're going to earn 328. So your money keeps increasing like that. And just to show you in a while, by the end of 10 days right here, you are no longer earning $30. You now start earning $4. So by the end of other 8 days, you're not earning $4 anymore. You start earning $5. So this is it here. You start earning $5. This is it here. So with compound interest, it actually allows your money to keep growing because you're earning interest every day that is added to your investment for the following day. So that's the biggest secret with compound interest. And and something surprising is that when you take note, by the end of 24 days, you have your 100% right here. You earn your 100% return on investment by the end of 24 days, right? So that is incredibly amazing. So whenever I'm investing in these types of websites, I'm only risking for these first days. So I want to first return my capital, and after returning back my capital, then I go ahead and start compounding naturally and letting my money grow over time. So that is how much you can earn. Now let me just do a little bit more stimulations right here to show you how much $100 can turn over time. So you're investing $100, but you decide to invest it for 60 days. So how much is that going to be? So with your $100 in 60 days, you'll have $589. That is that is close to 600% return on investment. So now, if you decide to invest for 90 days, those are going to be 3 months. So it is going to be at $1,430. that is 1,400% return on investment. So if you invest for that, so those are going to be 90 days. So if you invest for 120 days, and those are going to be 4 months, so if you stimulate that, it's going to be 3,471. So this is huge money, right? So now let's say you invest for 150 days. How much is that going to be? So you stimulate. So that is going to be $8,425. So close, we are getting close to 10,000 US dollars in just 5 months, right? So let me just again cancel that and show you if you invest for full 6 months without withdrawing, you are literally compounding. So in 106, so in 6 months, that is going to be 180 days. So let me stimulate that. If you stimulate that, it's going to be 20,000. So it's going to be $20,450, right? So this is the secret power behind compound interest. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how much you can earn just by compounding your money. So, and remember, this is the website that has been in existence for the past 3 years. So I'm just thinking, for someone who started investing maybe 1 year, right, and has been compounding his money and maybe doing some withdrawals here and there, so this person could have been making some good money over this time. So this is how much you can earn on this website. Now let me again take you back to the website and basically show you other features on the website and how you can place your investments and monitor it as well on the site. So right now, the fact that you already have the magic dog and you have already deposited and you're ready to start trading, so the one thing that you just need to do is you need to come to Quant Trade right here. So right now you're going to press your order right here. So when you tap on Quant Trade, you just need to select the time frame that you want to invest. You can invest for 2 hours, you can invest for 6 hours, you can invest for 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours, which is what I like most because I like to leverage more on compound interest that is daily. So you can as well as invest for 3 days, for 7 days, and for 15 days. So all those plans available depending on your time schedule that you have to run this investment. So I'm going to tap on the 24 hours, and you can notice that all time frames, actually the minimum investment is 10 USDT. So I'm just going to tap on 24 hours. Just want to show you how it feels like to invest here. And so you just need to select the magic dog here and put in all the amount because you want to get the maximum profit that you can. And here it's gonna count your profits and the time your investment is going to run. So you just have to come and tap on magic dog. So you can check. I don't have any magic dog right now because the one I have is already at work. So so if you have one, you'll go ahead and tap on it and select done, and then here you just select all to invest all the money that you have on your account, and right here it will show you the profits that you are going to get after your investment term is due. So is it then after you just need to tap on submit to submit your order, and then you can go on. So going on, then you can check your my strategy to see how your investment is doing or to find out the details about your investment. So that is it, guys. Then you can check through the media section right here. The media section pretty much give you all the details or the media articles that have been written about the company. So you can check through and see what is in there. So you can check through and see what is in there. So all these are the articles that have been written on different websites online, so you can pretty much go ahead and read most of them. So this is it, guys, about Amzdoge. So you want to get started, I'll put the link down in the video description. So you like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, share them with friends, and also to note you guys, when you deposit on this website, make sure you contact me. I'll have my Telegram link listed down in the video description, so you can go ahead and Telegram me so that you can receive the 90 days free magic dog that you'll use to get started in trading on this site. So this is it, guys. So you like these kind of videos, join me and we go along together. So bye bye, thank you for watching my video. I will see you again in another one.